Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a little get ready with me video, a little treat for you guys, something a little different than what I'm used to doing. Not just a hair tutorial, but I'm going to show you guys a little bit of makeup. So we're going to be transforming today from this to this. I know I don't typically do makeup videos and I'm not a makeup anything, so I just thought it'd be a little fun. I, for the most part, don't wear makeup whatsoever. I'm usually just makeup free for the most part. I will wear makeup obviously when I film and as well when I go out or for special occasions. Although this look is going to be pretty simple and kind of like an everyday look, it is going to be one that people with glasses can wear and be able to showcase their makeup, because I have something very special to share with you guys. So I have a new pair of glasses that I'm excited to show you, and it's actually going to be part of this look. So at the end, once we're done with our hair and makeup, I will add the glasses and talk a little bit more about it once we get to that part. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we're back, makeup done, hair did. So how do you guys think we did with this get ready with me video? Now we're just missing one little accessory to give it that added special touch. You guys ready? And here we go. So what do you guys think of my new glasses? I'm really loving them. They are a little bit different from what I typically get when it comes to glasses. These glasses, I picked them out just because they were different than something that I'm normally used to doing. I like the fact that they are very oversized, and I also like the fact that they're this pinkish kind of clear color, and it's a lot different from my previous glasses. I actually received these glasses thanks to Firmoo Optical. So I have worked with Firmoo in the past, and they reached out to me again to select another pair of glasses to share with you guys. So I decided to go with these. They're very fun and just different and trendy, and I really love them. This is my second pair of glasses from Firmoo. So this is my first one right here. And I got them both with a prescription. So the glasses came in this cute little case right here. It also came with a little keychain screwdriver so that you can tighten any of the screws should they ever come loose. But yeah guys, the process is really easy. It probably took less than 2 weeks from start to finish for me to receive my glasses, and throughout the process they keep you updated on what's going on with your glasses, when your order is received, when they're making it, when it's out for shipping, so that you're always in the know regarding what's happening with your glasses. I do have a special offer for you guys, so be sure to check the description box below to get yourself some inexpensive, super inexpensive, let me tell you, the prices on there are gonna blow your mind. Super inexpensive glasses from Firmoo. I will leave my original video where I received my first pair of glasses from Firmoo linked down below, so you guys can check that out and learn more about Firmoo. Guys, so this is today's finished look. I am ready to hit the town with my look. What do you guys think? How do you rate this transformation? If you remember what I looked like when I first came on camera to this. Big, huge transformation. So we did our makeup today, we did our hair, we are ready to go. So that is it. We have reached the end of the video. Again, a bit different from what I'm used to sharing with you guys, but I thought I would switch it up today and give you guys something a little lighter, more fun, and just, sit back, relax, and enjoy getting ready with me. If you like these kind of videos, be sure to leave me a like so I know you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how long you typically take to get ready when you're going out at night. I would say I typically take about 2 hours, and that's makeup, hair, and all that good stuff. So I usually like to give myself 2 hours. You let me know how long it takes you to get ready. And before you go, be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. I would really love to have you part of our First Class Curly family. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.